sa tuyen ngi pa yu peyen nga ke sa tuyen ngi pa yu peyen pa yu ma yu ala ma ti ro tsam ba yak sha sa ken puri chi pa yin chuka chulu ala ma ti ro ling.
Hi. We're excited to welcome you to the third Girls Right Now Chapters Reading Series of 2014. Tonight we have a collection of poems, prose, and personal narratives to share with you. With the common thread of handheld mirrors and reflections on identity, we can't help but see ourselves in their chosen words. We feel so lucky that we can walk in their writing tonight.
Hi everyone, my name is Paldon and I'm a second-year mentee. I wrote a poem called Identity, and this poem speaks for every Tibetan in the world. Who am I? Is it my brown eyes, my pale yellow skin, my body that is Paldon? But wouldn't with time my eyes become weary, my young skin wrinkled, my body stooped? How can I be young and restless now, but old and senile at another time? Oh, stupid me, these evolving features are just a facade, just an appearance. Isn't that so? So then, what identifies me? What is my drive? What will remain deep within, hold on to, intertwined in my changing self, my roots? But they try to condemn, denounce, and erase it. With my mouth muzzled, the Chinese government tells me that my country is China, my language is Chinese, and my leader is Mao. But how can this be? My country's name is Tibet, my language is Tibetan, and my leader's name is Dalai Lama. But no, according to my passport, my textbooks, I'm Chinese. Tibet isn't delineated as a country on the map. The three great provinces, Kham, Amdo, and Usang, have been changed into names I no longer know. It's another land of the Red Chinese. No, I cannot accept this. I'm not Chinese. Please, free people of the world, hear me out. Please hear me out. They have taken my country. They have murdered my people, with bloodshed seeping through the soils of Tibet, tears being shed by my ancestors, mantras being hushed. No, they have tainted the pristine Potala Palace into red, shackled my brothers and sisters, broken the hearts of my forefathers, teared my family apart. Please, loving people of the world, hear me out. Understand, I'm not a Chinese. I'm not the nemesis of my identity. I'm not the killer of my ancestors. I'm not the reason to the suffering of my people. Please, I am my identity. I am a Tibetan. Thank you.